So here we have an Outback that we're doing a motor on.
Damn, that Outback's so cool.
Maybe you should buy it. It is yours, actually. You're saying people on the video, maybe you should buy it. But yeah, so old motor, new motor. We did spark plugs. We're gonna do a rear main seal. We did not get a belt. Did not order a belt.
Whoops.
So we have the other belt, the original belt. Not a big deal. But yeah, we're pretty much ready to go. We just got to we did an oil filter. We're going to do rear main seal, clutch and flywheel, and then we're just going to pop this thing in and see if it works. Supposedly it's the same year, should work for the wiring, but we're going to try that and see how it goes. And then, yeah, like hopefully it'll just run and then we'll be good. That'd be nice. So today we're in the shop and we're sort of prepping to get this motor. What are you doing there, guy?
You want to take a guess?
No. What'd you do? You dropped the pin down through?
Yeah.
Is that what's going on?
Yeah.
Oh well. I guess it's in there forever.
Yeah, it seems that way.
All right.
I was hoping I'd get lucky.
That's what she said. But yeah, we're getting ready to just do a clutch and a flywheel and a rear main on this motor here so that we can get motor back in his Outback and get him the hell out of here. And then today we're actually going to be packing up and getting ready to go to Hyperfest for the weekend with Summit's Evo. And then Jimmy is coming down right now. We're going to fit him up for his seat and his belts and get the seat and the belts adjusted a little bit better. He's going to take the car to the track for the weekend and he'll be back next week. We're still waiting on some belts and need to finish up a few other things on his car, but he's going to take it out this weekend and drive it at NJMP. So I've got him coming shortly and got to deal with that. And I'm hoping for a cage to show up for the E36 kit or the E36 today, the correct cage. So we'll see how that goes. Hopefully it does, you know. So yeah, stuff and things. Oh man, so we got a roll cage. We got the Evo loaded up on the trailer. I've cleaned out the van. I had to sweep it, vacuum it. It was disgusting in here. It was an absolute joke. Now it's nice and clean and all nice for me to sleep in all weekend. Just gonna be nice. And then this guy's yelling at me, so I gotta go see what he's doing. But yeah, we're getting there. Oh, and the motor's in the Outback. Ooh, boy. Yeah, so it's been a day. We finally got Keith's car done, got the Outback motor running. He's actually out ripping up and down the street, taking a test drive real quick. And we're pretty much loaded for Hyperfest. And yeah, I don't mind the RAV4. Jimmy came and picked up his car to use for the weekend and dropped off the RAV4. He'll be back with his bug eye. But yeah, Keith is out there somewhere, I don't know, doing the thing. Hopefully he didn't break it already, ideally. But oh, there he goes. Quick flash by. But yeah, I'm gonna be hitting the road in the morning, heading to Hyperfest. Hope to see everybody there. It'll be fun. I haven't been to Hyperfest since like 2015. So it'll be super cool to see all the rally peeps and all the drift dudes and you know, some of the road race guys I know. So it'll be a cool weekend, and yeah, hopefully I didn't forget anything. Still got to pack it home, but yeah, hopefully I've got all my tools and all the things, and we'll be good to go. So that's pretty much it from here for today, or yeah, for today. And then tomorrow I'll be on the road. So if you like what you see, like, share, subscribe. I think that's what they say. And if you can, comment. We'd love to interact with our fans, our customers. You know, it's pouring outside. But yeah, hit the like button, hit the share, subscribe, get it to your friends. Let's get this stuff around.